Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send XDC from Revolut to Kraken in 2025. If you're looking to move your XDC tokens smoothly between these platforms, you're in the right place. With the crypto world evolving fast, this guide will keep you ahead of the curve. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have XDC in your Revolut account. Open the Revolut app, head to your crypto section, and double-check your balance. It's always smart to confirm you have enough to cover any transfer fees. Next, ensure your Kraken account is all set up. If you don't have one, sign up quickly on the Kraken website. It's straightforward and secure. Once logged in, navigate to your wallet and find your XDC deposit address. Copy this address carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer to go through without issues. Now, back in Revolut, go to the Crypto tab and select XDC. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. Paste the Kraken wallet address you copied earlier, and enter the amount of XDC you want to transfer. Revolut might show you estimated fees and processing times, so take a moment to review them, especially in 2025, when network fees could vary. Before you hit Confirm, double-check everything. Crypto transfers are irreversible, so verify the address and amount to avoid any costly mistakes. Once you're good, approve the transaction. You'll get a confirmation notification, and the XDC will start moving. After initiating the transfer, keep an eye on the blockchain status. Depending on network congestion, it might take a few minutes to an hour. Head back to Kraken and refresh your wallet to see when the XDC arrives. And there you have it. That's how you send XDC from Revolut to Kraken in 2025. Always remember to stay secure. Use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Let's keep learning together. See you in the next video.